Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about how your partner and children can join you or stay in the UK as your dependents under the skilled worker visa. Let's dive right in. Who can apply as a dependent? Your partner and children can apply if they meet certain conditions. They'll need to submit separate applications, and if approved, their visa will usually end on the same date as yours. If the parents have visas with different expiry dates, the child's visa will end on the earlier date. A dependent can be your spouse, civil partner, or unmarried partner. Your child under 18, including those born in the UK during your stay. Your child over 18 if they are already in the UK as your dependent. When applying, you'll need to provide proof of your relationship to each dependent. If you're the first in your family to apply, you can get a family linking code to connect your applications. Family members can use this code when they apply. Special case, care workers and senior care workers. If you're a care worker or senior care worker, your dependents can join you or stay only if you were employed in such roles in the UK and had a skilled worker visa before March 11, 2024. Plus, one of these must be true. You're still on a skilled worker visa. You're extending your skilled worker visa with your current employer. You're changing to a new job within the same occupation code while on a skilled worker visa. Partner requirements. Your partner must prove you're in a recognized civil partnership or marriage. You've lived together in a relationship for at least 2 years before applying. You've been in a relationship for at least 2 years but cannot live together due to work, study, or cultural reasons. If you're not living together, you'll need to show evidence of ongoing commitment, such as regular communication, financial support, shared child care, or time spent together. Child requirements. Your child must live with you unless they are away for full-time education, not be married or in a civil partnership. You'll need to provide proof of their address, such as a bank statement, credit card bills, a driving license, NHS registration document, or an official letter from their university or college. Financial requirements. Your dependents must have enough money to support themselves while in the UK. You or your dependents will need £285 for your partner, £315 for one child, £200 for each additional child. For example, to bring your partner and one child, you'll need £600, £285 for your partner and £315 for your child. You also need £1,270 to support yourself. This money must be available for at least 28 days in a row, within 31 days of applying. You'll usually need to show proof of funds unless you've been in the UK with a valid visa for at least 12 months or your employer can cover your family's costs for the first month, as confirmed on your certificate of sponsorship. If your dependents are applying at a different time, they only need to prove financial support if they've been in the UK for less than a year. Applying from outside the UK. Your dependents must apply online from outside the UK and complete separate applications, paying the visa fee. They'll need your application number, GWF or UAN, and can use a family linking code if available. Proving identity. Your dependents will need to prove their identity by having their fingerprints and photograph taken at a visa application center to get a biometric residence permit. Using the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan their identity document and create or sign into their UKVI account. Decision time. After applying online, proving their identity, and providing documents, your dependents will usually get a decision within 3 weeks. They might be able to pay for a faster decision. Applying from inside the UK. If extending or switching their visa, their current visa remains valid until its original end date. They can apply to extend or switch their visa at any time before their current visa expires. This includes children who turn 18 during your stay. Children born in the UK. If you have a child in the UK, they don't automatically become a British citizen. You must apply for their dependent visa to travel in and out of the UK with them. Provide a full UK birth certificate for each child, showing both parents' names. Apply for their dependent visa before they turn 18 if they want to stay in the UK. What your dependents can do. Your partner or child can work, except as a sportsperson or coach. Study. Travel abroad and return to the UK. Apply to settle permanently in the UK after 5 years if they meet eligibility requirements. They cannot apply for most benefits or the state pension. If their application is successful, they'll get a list of what they can and cannot do. That's all for today's guide on how your partner and children can join you or stay in the UK under the skilled worker visa. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.